With a perfect blend of relaxation, entertainment, and amenities, it's no wonder Cancun is a top destination for solo adventurers. Today we picked top 10 adults-only all-inclusive resorts in Cancun for solo travelers. These remarkable resorts, designed with solo travelers in mind, offer indulgent luxury, exquisite cuisine, and the opportunity to create lifelong memories. So get ready to enjoy an unforgettable experience in Cancun's stunning settings. Now let's start with our list. Top 10 adults-only all-inclusive resorts in Cancun for solo travelers. Number 10 is Temptation Cancun Resort. This resort has a sensual environment for couples and solo travelers. Temptation Cancun Resort. An adults-only, all-inclusive destination in Cancun, Mexico, offers a vibrant and inviting environment for solo travelers. While couples and groups are welcome, the resort's lively atmosphere is perfect for those traveling alone. With a range of social events, pool parties, and themed nights, solo guests have abundant opportunities to meet new people and forge connections. The resort's singles-friendly environment ensures a fun and inclusive experience, allowing solo travelers to enjoy their vacation fully. Whether it's joining in the energetic poolside activities or indulging in the resort's nightlife, Temptation Cancun Resort offers a memorable stay for solo adventurers. At number 9, we have Secrets the Vine Cancun. This one came close, but just missed the mark. Secrets the Vine Cancun, an adults-only, all-inclusive resort in Cancun, Mexico, is a fantastic choice for solo travelers seeking a luxurious and peaceful vacation. Solo travelers can indulge in the unlimited luxury offerings, including gourmet dining options and top-notch service. The resort's tranquil setting, stunning beachfront location, and expansive pool areas provide ample opportunities for relaxation and rejuvenation. Whether lounging by the pool or enjoying the resort's spa facilities, Secrets the Vine Cancun offers a serene and indulgent retreat for solo travelers. At number 8, Garza Blanca Resort Spa. While being a strong candidate, this one fell short of winning. Garza Blanca Resort Spa Cancun is a luxurious and upscale adults-only all-inclusive resort located in Cancun, Mexico, and can be a wonderful choice for solo travelers seeking a tranquil and indulgent vacation. Solo guests can take advantage of the resort's spa facilities, relax by the pools, or participate in water sports. The attentive service and elegant ambience create a welcoming atmosphere for solo travelers, ensuring a memorable and rejuvenating experience at Garza Blanca Resort Spa Cancun. At number 7, we have Golden Parnassus Resort, but still couldn't beat the top competitors. Golden Parnassus Resort is an all-inclusive, adults-only resort situated in Cancun, Mexico, and can be a great choice for solo travelers seeking a vibrant and enjoyable vacation. With its lively atmosphere and entertainment options, the resort caters to individuals looking to socialize and have fun. The resort offers a range of activities, such as pool parties, live performances, and themed nights, providing ample opportunities to meet fellow guests and make new friends. Additionally, solo travelers can take advantage of the resort's amenities, including the beachfront location, swimming pools, and spa facilities, ensuring a memorable and enjoyable stay at Golden Parnassus Resort. At number 6, we have Crown Paradise Club Cancun. Crown Paradise Club Cancun is an all-inclusive resort located in Cancun, Mexico, which can provide an enjoyable experience for solo travelers. The resort offers a variety of amenities and activities that cater to individuals seeking both relaxation and entertainment. Solo guests can take advantage of the resort's beachfront location, multiple swimming pools, and spa services. Additionally, the resort hosts daily activities, themed parties, and live entertainment, creating opportunities for solo travelers to socialize and meet new people. Whether seeking relaxation or adventure, Crown Paradise Club Cancun offers a welcoming environment for solo travelers to have a memorable vacation. Getting closer to the top, our number 5 is Grand Oasis Cancun. This one has been a reliable destination and definitely deserves a spot on the list. Grand Oasis Cancun is a large, all-inclusive resort located in Cancun, Mexico, and it can offer a diverse range of experiences for solo travelers. The resort features multiple swimming pools, a beautiful beachfront, and a variety of dining options to suit different tastes. Solo travelers can take advantage of the resort's vibrant nightlife, including live shows and themed parties. While the resort is popular with couples and groups, solo travelers can still enjoy their stay by immersing themselves in the resort's energetic atmosphere and taking advantage of its extensive amenities. At number 4, we have the Royal Sands All Suites Resort SPA. It is a true hidden gem and has exceeded all expectations. The Royal Sands All Suites Resort Spa offers a delightful experience for solo travelers. This all-inclusive resort provides spacious suites with stunning ocean views, ensuring a comfortable and relaxing stay. Solo guests can enjoy the resort's numerous amenities, including swimming pools, a spa, and a fitness center. The beachfront location allows for leisurely walks along the sand and picturesque sunsets. The resort also offers various activities, such as water sports and organized excursions, providing opportunities for solo travelers to socialize and explore the local attractions. The Royal Sands caters to solo adventurers seeking a tranquil and enjoyable vacation. At number 3, we have Le Blanc Spa Resort. This one had some breathtaking views, but still couldn't quite reach the top. Le Blanc Spa Resort Cancun is a luxurious, adults-only, all-inclusive resort that provides an exceptional experience for solo travelers. This elegant resort offers a serene and sophisticated atmosphere, perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation. Solo guests can indulge in the world-class spa services, enjoy the resort's pristine beach, and take a dip in the beautiful pools. The resort also offers various activities, such as yoga classes and cooking demonstrations, creating opportunities for solo travelers to engage in enriching experiences. Le Blanc Spa Resort Cancun is an ideal choice for solo travelers seeking a tranquil and indulgent escape. We're down to the top 2, and number 2 is Live Aqua Beach Resort. This one was a close runner-up but still couldn't take the top spot. Live Aqua Beach Resort is a luxurious, adults-only resort in Cancun, Mexico, that offers a fantastic experience for solo travelers. This upscale resort provides a sophisticated and stylish ambience, creating a serene and relaxing atmosphere. Solo guests can enjoy the resort's beautiful beachfront location, indulge in spa treatments, and take advantage of the multiple pools and lounging areas. The resort also offers a variety of dining options, including gourmet restaurants and chic bars. With its attentive service and tranquil setting, Live Aqua Beach Resort is an ideal choice for solo travelers seeking a luxurious and peaceful getaway. And finally, the moment we have all been waiting for, the top spot goes to number 1. Moon Palace is the undisputed champion and the best travel destination in the world. Moon Palace is a sprawling, all-inclusive resort that offers a delightful experience for solo travelers. This expansive resort offers a wide range of amenities and activities, including multiple pools, a beautiful beach, and a luxurious spa. Solo guests can take part in the resort's organized activities and entertainment options, such as live shows and themed parties. Additionally, the resort features various dining options to suit different tastes. With its diverse offerings and welcoming atmosphere, Moon Palace ensures solo travelers can enjoy a memorable vacation filled with relaxation, entertainment, and exploration. Thank you for watching this video highlighting some of the top 10 adults-only all-inclusive resorts in Cancun for solo travelers. With breathtaking views, luxurious accommodations, and endless activities to enjoy, these resorts truly have something for solo travelers. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more exciting travel content. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.